Hi everyone, my name is Melanie, Math Content Specialist here at Zinkers. Let's take a look at another digital SAT question and how we can use Desmos to help us solve it. This question says, the graph of x squared plus y squared plus y equals 199 over 2 in the xy plane is a circle. What is the length of the circle's radius? So this is a pretty classic equation of a circle question. Maybe our gut says complete the square and rearrange its equation, create it so that we can read the square of the radius on the right-hand side of the equation and then be able to give the circle's radius. That takes a lot of work, right? Introduces a lot of room for error. Let's let Desmos do all the work for us, and then we'll be able to read the radius by just looking at the picture of the circle. So I'll start by typing in this equation of the circle exactly how I see it here. Again, no need to complete the square. Making sure I'm typing it in again exactly how I see it. And then here is my circle. So you may be tempted to just kind of hover over here and read 9.487 as the radius of the circle. However, we got to be careful here. We don't know for sure that this circle is centered at 0, 0. If it was centered at 0, 0, this would in fact be my radius. I don't know that to be true, and I can actually tell it's not quite centered right there. So we just have to be careful. I can find the other points, endpoints of my circle here by just hovering up at these points over here. So you can see now I'm kind of focused on my y-axis. I have an endpoint at 9.5. And then if I go down here, another endpoint at negative 10.5. That's a total positive distance of 20, right? So I actually know that my diameter is equal to 20. Because my radius is just half of my diameter, I know that my radius must be 10. And that's all there is to it. Again, the most important part being careful to not just assume that this endpoint over here is the one to look at. We don't always know that it's centered at 0, 0, unless, of course, they tell us. Is there another question that you want to see? Make sure to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and follow our channel for more digital SAT content.